Hello, third grade writers. Today we're going to be doing lesson 6 for Unit 3, Module A. So we're going to continue reading and writing about Storm in the Night. The vocabulary for this lesson is brandishing, which means wielding or thrashing. So for example, this pirate is brandishing his sword. It could also, it's like waving around. Commanded, demanded. So sometimes your teachers or maybe your parents might command you to do something. Interrupting is stopping or obstructing. So if someone's talking and then you talk over them, that means you're interrupting. And ashamed means you're embarrassed or reluctant. So our lesson objectives, and if you'll notice, I am adding a conventions objective since we have the writing part and then we have the conventions grammatical part of the lesson. So let's look here first. I will be able to explore how writers provide reasons to support an opinion. And for the conventions, I will be able to explain the function of adjectives in general. Opinion writing, reasons to support an opinion. At the beginning of an opinion piece, the writer introduces the topic or text he or she is writing about and states an opinion about the topic or text. The next part of an opinion essay is where the writer provides reasons that support the opinion. The elements of strong reasoning that supports an opinion include to answer the question, why do you think that? Include at least 2 reasons that serve your opinion, and include specific examples that support your opinion and your evidence. There are different types of reasons that a writer can provide for an opinion. Writers can give specific facts that explain the reason for their opinion. Writers can also give reasons from their own experiences. When writers give an opinion about a book, they might also include a description of an event or a quote from a book. This process is called using text evidence. Including several different reasons will make an opinion more convincing. Reasons should explain and show why the reader should agree with an opinion or point of view. So if we look at some student models, the first one says, I like cats better than dogs. Cats don't bark like dogs. My cat likes to snuggle with me and makes me feel good. The first sentence expresses an opinion. The other sentences give reasons for this opinion. The second sentence gives a fact. The third sentence tells of the writer's experience. Both the second and third sentences explain why. The second example, my favorite part of Storm in the Night is the description. The author uses adjectives to help readers picture the storm. Thunder like mountains blowing up is a new way to explain the sound of thunder. Again, this first sentence expresses the opinion, and the other sentences are reasons explaining why. The quote right here, remember we talked about quotation marks? So the quote provides a good example of using text evidence as a reason. Write reasons to support opinions. Before you begin developing your reasons to support your opinions, you should develop a plan for your writing. Consider these guiding questions as you prepare to write. What is my point of view or opinion? Why do I have this point of view? What examples from literature can I find to support my opinion? And what are examples from my own life that support my opinion? Writers must justify their opinions about a topic with reasons that support their opinion. So this word justify means that they must explain or back up their reasons. This support will help to convince readers that their opinions are valid. Often, 2 or more reasons are needed to support an opinion. So if I was going to talk about nutrition, I might write, in my opinion, it's important for all students to learn about nutrition. I have this point of view because studies have shown that young people who learn about nutrition live longer. They also have fewer health problems throughout their lives. When you write an opinion about a text, you can use evidence from the text to support your opinions. When you write an opinion topic, you can use evidence from texts that you have read on the topic to support your opinions. When you write opinion pieces, you can also use evidence from real-life experiences and observations to support your opinions. Think of examples from real life that support your opinions about storms. So in your Reader's Writer's Journal on page 223, we're going to work on reasons to support an opinion. So you're going to write reasons that support the 4 opinions you stated in lesson 5. So those were those 4 sentences we had to fill in yesterday. So now I want you to explain why. The conventions mini lesson, so functions of adjectives. So remember, nouns name people, animals, places, and things. Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns. Adjectives can be used when writing opinions. An opinion might be that a story is interesting. Interesting is an adjective. Adjectives can also be used when giving reasons to support an opinion. So adjectives can describe what a person, animal, place, or thing looks like. So examples, small, round, orange. What a person, animal, place, or thing sounds, smells, or feels like. Examples, loud, sweet, soft. Or how a person feels. So some examples could be happy, sad, or proud. Lightning licking the navy blue sky. Sky is the noun, navy blue is an adjective that describes what the sky looks like, right? It's describing the color. In the stove, the flames made a fluttering noise. Noise is the noun, fluttering describes what the noise sounded like. So also on page 223, you're going to complete the conventions, functions of adjectives, directions, circle, right? Circle the word circle the adjective in each sentence, then underline the word underline, the noun that it describes. So for number 1, the kids ran through the dirty puddle of water. Okay, so if I were to look at this, I can see that I want, even though this here is the subject, the kids, I'm going to look over here at water, okay? Puddle of water. Now, what word describes puddle of water? Dirty, okay? So I would circle dirty because it's the adjective, and then I would underline puddle of water. Number 2 says, the playful dog kept jumping on the sofa to get Lisa's attention. Okay, so again, I'm looking at my noun, which would be dog. I need to circle the adjective that describes it. Usually the adjective comes right before the noun it's describing, so here I would have playful. Okay, number 3, you're going to try on your own. New Orleans is very hot during the summer. Okay, as always, please send me a comment on Google Classroom if you have any questions. Also remember that you can rewind, pause the video, or your parents may email me. I hope everything's going well. Thank you.